Today on Am I Doing This Right? I'm going to be going over the challenging Pilates exercise, the single straight leg stretch, giving you the tips and tricks you need to instantly upgrade your mat experience. Let's get started. Like the other exercises in the stomach series, this is going to take place on your back, and it's going to be a combination of both strength and flexibility. A lot of the times we think of the stomach series as just pure abs, and it certainly can be, but it's called the single straight leg stretch for a reason. This is all about lengthening your hamstring and finding more flexibility as well, in conjunction with engaging your powerhouse muscles. Holding one leg at a time with your hands at whatever height works for you at any certain level, behind your knee, behind your thigh, your calf like I'm doing, or if you're more flexible, your ankle or your toes, you scissor your legs one at a time and catch them with your hands. What's important to do here though is you're using your powerhouse and control to switch the legs. So you don't want to be twisting and reaching for your leg. You don't want to be reaching up with the shoulders and with the hands to get as high as you can. Find a place that you can easily, while keeping your shoulders, or as I like to think of it, your lungs pinned to the mat, be able to hold the leg and stretch from there. The range of motion for the scissoring action is going to be dependent on how low you can take your leg while keeping your powerhouse engaged. Your low back should stay protected and pulled into the mat. It should not be lifting up or arching in any way. As well, you don't want to move out of proportion with the two legs. As soon as the top leg is caught and in your hands, the bottom leg should be at the end range of its motion. Some modifications for this exercise can be done holding just behind the thigh and keeping your head down. You can have your knees bent as you need them or have them straight. And try at different paces and rhythms, faster, slower, emphasizing the powerhouse engagement or emphasizing the stretch of the leg. As you progress, if you're looking for more of a challenge in this exercise, you can leave your hands down on the mat by your hips or place them behind the nape of your neck, gently pulling and lengthening your neck and posture longer. For those of you who are more flexible like Hannah is here, you can reach for your ankles or even your feet and your toes while keeping long, straight legs. But again, notice how she's not moving her upper body to try and reach that height. She's using the flexibility of her legs and staying strong and stabilized in her core the whole time. Thank you so much for joining me today in this edition of Am I Doing This Right? Check out the link below if you're interested in taking a mat class with us here at Clarity Pilates. If you're enjoying this content, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you next time on the mat.